Apple fans, we need to talk about the living room. Because right now, a massive shift is happening behind closed doors at Apple Park. According to recent reports tied to Mark Gurman, Apple is gearing up to completely redefine its home ecosystem, and it all centers around one heavily anticipated device, the Apple TV 2026. The questions pouring in are exactly what you'd expect. Is a 2026 release date actually confirmed? Will it finally get a massive processor upgrade like the A17 Pro? And most importantly, should you buy the current model right now, or hold off for this massive overhaul? In this video, we are breaking down the entire leaked roadmap for the 2026 Apple TV. We're covering the extreme performance jump, a potential radical design shift, the integration of Apple Intelligence, and why this specific update is the missing puzzle piece for Apple's future. Stick around until the very end, because the pricing strategy Apple might use for this could change everything. Let's be honest for a second. The Apple TV has historically been the underdog of the Apple lineup. It doesn't have the massive hype cycle of an iPhone launch. It doesn't command the raw computing awe of an M-series Mac. And it certainly doesn't have the sci-fi appeal of the Vision Pro. But if you're already locked into the Apple ecosystem, you know the truth. The Apple TV is arguably the most seamless piece of hardware they make. The UI is buttery smooth, the aluminum remote feels undeniably premium, and the way it instantly shakes hands with your AirPods, your iPhone, and your HomePods is pure magic. But here is the glaring issue. The Apple TV hasn't seen a truly groundbreaking, jaw-dropping update in years. Sure, we've had spec bumps. We've seen minor processor tweaks. Apple finally fixed that terrible old trackpad remote. But at its core, the current model still feels like a passive streaming box. A very nice streaming box, but just a box. That era is about to end. Based on the latest supply chain whispers and reports from Gurman, 2026 is the year the Apple TV graduates from a simple Netflix machine to the absolute brains of your smart home. And when Mark Gurman points to a timeline, the industry listens. He doesn't just guess. He has a proven track record of forecasting Apple's internal roadmaps long before the hardware ever sees a stage. So, what exactly is changing? It starts with the silicon. The current Apple TV 4K is incredibly fast, but the 2026 model is rumored to make a massive generational leap, potentially adopting a variant of the A17 Pro chip, the exact same high-end architecture that changed the game for mobile processing. Now, you might be asking, why does a device meant for watching YouTube and Apple TV Plus need a chip that powerful? The answer isn't about streaming. It's about the future. Apple isn't putting elite silicon in the living room just so your movies load a millisecond faster. They are doing it to future-proof the hardware for Apple Intelligence. We are entering an era where AI dictates the user experience. The next Apple TV needs the neural engine headroom to process complex on-device machine learning. Imagine a Siri that doesn't just execute basic commands, but actually understands conversational context. You walk in your living room and say, "Dim the lights, turn on that action movie I was watching last weekend, and route the audio to my AirPods." The 2026 Apple TV will have the processing power to execute that entire sequence flawlessly, locally, and instantly. This turns the Apple TV into the ultimate HomeKit hub. It becomes the invisible brain of your house, seamlessly managing security cameras, smart thermostats, and lighting arrays without dropping a single frame of your 4K movie. But a powerful chip is completely useless if the pipeline feeding it is choked. That brings us to the next massive upgrade, wireless connectivity. By 2026, Wi-Fi 7 will be the new standard, and integrating this into the Apple TV means virtually zero latency. 4 heavy streamers pushing uncompressed 4K HDR files from a local network. This is huge. 4 seamless AirPlay screen mirroring from your Mac. It's essential. And then there is the elephant in the room, gaming. Apple has been aggressively pushing into the gaming space. We've seen AAA titles running natively on Apple Silicon. The 2026 Apple TV, armed with an A17 Pro-level chip and aggressive active cooling, could finally become the casual gaming console Apple has always wanted. Edit to be. I'm not saying it's going to kill the PlayStation or the next Xbox. But for families, for Apple Arcade subscribers, and for casual gamers who just want to pair a controller and play high-quality games without buying a dedicated console, this is going to be a massive paradigm shift. What about the design? Apple loves its minimalist aesthetics, so don't expect a neon glowing gaming tower. It will likely remain a sleek, stealthy box that disappears into your entertainment center. But we could see a slimmer profile, refined thermal architecture to handle the new chip, and perhaps updated I/O on the back. The remote, however, is ripe for innovation. The current remote is fantastic, but it's missing one crucial feature that drives everyone crazy. The 2026 remote is heavily rumored to include an embedded ultra-wideband chip. This means precision finding. When you inevitably lose the remote in the couch cushions, you'll just open the Find My app on your iPhone, and an arrow will guide you straight to it, complete with a chiming speaker. It's a small hardware change, but it solves a massive daily frustration. Now, let's address the massive hurdle, the price. The streaming market is flooded with dirt-cheap sticks from Roku, Amazon, and Google. Most modern TVs come with perfectly fine streaming interfaces built right in. So how does Apple convince the average consumer to spend significantly more on the Apple TV 2026? They can't just sell it as a streaming box. They have to sell it as a premium lifestyle upgrade. You aren't just buying a way to watch movies. You are buying elite privacy, a console-level gaming experience, a smart home command center, and a device that will be supported with software updates for years to come. So, the ultimate question, should you wait for the 2026 Apple TV, or should you buy the current 4K model today? Here is the honest truth. If you are still rocking an ancient 1080p Apple TV, or your current smart TV interface is lagging and driving you crazy, just buy the current Apple TV 4K right now. It is incredibly fast, highly reliable, and it will absolutely transform your viewing experience today. There is no sense in suffering through a laggy TV for another year or two. However, if you already have the recent Apple TV 4K, hold on to your cash. Your current hardware is more than capable of holding you over, and the 2026 upgrade is going to bring the kind of performance leaps, especially with AI and gaming, that you will actually want to spend your money on. When exactly in 2026? Apple rarely hosts a dedicated event just for the living room. Expect this to drop either via a high-profile press release or as a key segment during the September hardware event, seamlessly tying the living room into the broader Apple ecosystem. The 2026 Apple TV might not be getting the mainstream media hype right now, but for anyone heavily invested in Apple's world, it might just be the most impactful hardware release on the horizon. Now, I want to hear from you. If Apple absolutely nails the performance, the gaming capabilities, and a Find My remote, are you upgrading on day one? Or do you think built-in TV apps have already won the war? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. If you want to stay ahead of all the major Apple leaks, rumors, and product deep dives, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.